Hello and welcome to my kitchen and happy Memorial Day. My name is Sherry and today is Monday obviously, but more importantly it is Makeover Monday. So that's where we take a recipe and we make it, lower carbs, lower calories, maybe gluten-free, something along those lines. And lately we've been doing a lot of low carb. So with it being Memorial Day and it's a holiday, I kind of wanted to take it easy today. I wanted to do something easy, but I also want to do something that celebrated summer. So I thought it'd be a perfect day to do lemonade. So I am using erythritol to do this, and if I remember reading correctly, I have a ton of sweeteners around here, all different kinds. This is the only one that actually does not affect your blood sugar at all. So I know normally when you have a little packet of Splenda or Sweet and Low, you're supposed to count each one of those as a carb. So if we were to put as many of those in here as I needed to, I might be at like half, and have a couple of glasses of these, I might be at like half my carb count for the day. So I like to use the erythritol. The thing about the erythritol is though it does leave like a cooling effect in your mouth. So I typically only use this in recipes that I know are going to be served cold. So like if I'm going to make an ice cream that's low carb, I might use this. Or like today I'm doing the lemonade. I know this is going to get served over ice, so I'm going to use the erythritol. And what I really like about doing it this way versus regular lemonade is I usually have to boil it on the stove and wait for the sugar to dissolve. This, when I do it this way, I just do it in a mason jar and it is super simple. So I've got about 3.5 cups of water here, and I went ahead and put warm water in here just because it helps it dissolve a little bit quicker. We're going to add 1/3 cup of the erythritol. And this is a natural sweetener. I've also got a glass of ice there ready to go. And then we're going to use the juice of 2 lemons. So if you haven't heard me say it before, if you want to get the most juice out of your lemon, you can roll it around on the counter a little bit. Oop, I think we had a seed sneak through on us. We did. That's okay. We'll get it out later. But you can roll it around on the counter and it's going to help you get a little bit of extra juice out of there. Or if you want to get more juice, you can pop it in the microwave for 20-30 seconds and that'll help you get more juice out. Or you can get yourself one of these citrus press from Pampered Chef. I love this thing. So you put it in here. You put your citrus in here, cut side down. Unless it's too big, then you can do it cut side up. But what I love is that you can see it totally turns these inside out. It gets like every little drop out of there. So I'll put the link to this in the description below, along with my website. And then we're just going to replace the lid and we're just going to shake it. So this is going to make about 2 servings. Yeah, we did. We got a couple seeds floating around in there, but that's all right. And it may take a little bit for the erythritol to dissolve, but that's okay. I'm thirsty. We're going to go ahead and pour this. And I need to go relax. It's a holiday, right? Look, it looks just like lemonade. And of course, if you don't have fresh lemons, you can always use, lemon juice that you buy. But I think using fresh lemons makes all the difference in the world, so. Tastes like summer. Tastes like summer, but without all the calories and the sugar and the carbs. And I might actually add a little more sweetener, or it might be because it hasn't dissolved yet. It's not quite as sweet as I would want it to be. So that's the other thing. If you're going to use like stevia or Splenda or something like that, check the back of it because it will tell you, what it is in comparison to, a cup of sugar versus a cup of this. So this is 1 1/3 cup equals 1 cup of sugar. So it's about half as sweet as what sugar is. And again, sugar, or sweetness is to your liking. So this might be fine for somebody. I think I'm going to want it just a little bit sweeter. I think I used maybe a 1/2 cup last time instead of 1/3 cup. But that's all right. It's still good. So I hope you give it a try, especially if you're doing low carb, because it will be one of your summer favorites. So I thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.